Hello children, Standard 2 Moral Science book name is Heart and Mind, and today I am going to teach you lesson 5 by P.B. Lakshmi. The lesson name is Be on Time. Value taught is punctuality. Life skills developed, self-awareness and critical thinking. Golden words. If you don't like to wait for others, don't make others wait for you. Now, about the lesson I am going to teach you, the children, please try to understand. Punctuality means to do something on time or reach somewhere well in time. Time is precious. Precious means valuable. Once gone, it never comes back. No matter how much we regret, to save time, planning is essential. Essential means important. If you plan your day properly, you can do many things during the day. Read the following lines. Time is precious. Don't let it pass by. For once it gone, there's nothing but to cry. Time is like water, don't let it dry. Time is like money, don't let it fly. For once it gone, there's nothing but to cry. Now, about the Be on Time, the story is like this. Here in the picture we can see a mother is there and her son is there. He is going with school bag to school, but he missed the bus. How it became about that story is here. The boy name is Sonu, was a student of class 2. One day he reached home looking very excited. The following conversation took place between him and his mother. Sonu is the boy. Mom, tomorrow I am going on a school picnic. Then his mom told, very good. Make all arrangements well in time. Don't be lazy. Now, the page number 31. Page number 32. Sonu. Yes, mom. The bus will come to pick me up at 8 o'clock. The day passed. Sonu did not make the arrangements. Mom. Sonu, it's 8:30 p.m. and you have not done anything. Sonu, oh mom, I forgot. I am doing right now. Saying this, Sonu took out a smart dress, his goggles, his sports shoes and picnic bag. Then he took his dinner and started watching cartoon on TV. After some time, his mom came. Mom is saying to the Sonu, Sonu, it's 10 p.m. Sleep quickly, otherwise you will not be able to get up on time. Take this rupees 50 note and spend it on picnic. Also, set an alarm of 7 a.m. Early morning 7 a.m. Sonu, okay ma'am. Sonu keeps on watching TV and sleep while watching the TV. In the morning, what happened? Mom, Sonu, get up. Sonu, yes, mom. Good morning. Mom, what have you done? It is 7:40 a.m. Hurry up. Sonu was shocked. He really hurried up, but he reached the bus stand at 8:15 a.m. At a fair distance, he saw the bus going. Here in the bus you see the students, the bus is going at the back, he is running but no use. He missed the bus. He started crying. He reached back home. Sonu, Mom, I missed my bus. I was late by a few minutes. See, if it is got up a little early means he would have in time. Mom, oh dear, I told you to sleep early and set an alarm. You always waste time. You missed the bus because you were not punctual. No point in crying now. Learn to pay respect to time. Sonu realized his mistake and decided to be punctual in time. So, children, never waste time. Develop a habit of doing things well within time. Now, ponder and practice. Time is precious. Once it passes by, it never comes back. Always complete your work timely. Reach everywhere in time. Never be late. Make a timetable and act accordingly. Now, about the punctuality, the recite of the poem about the punctuality. Punctuality is a golden rule. Learn it well while in school. Work put off in is time lost, which won't come back at any cost. Do it well, do it soon. Punctuality is a boon. This recite is on the page number 35. So children, the suggestion is there, be on time, and punctuality is necessary for every child, every person. Then we can do all the work, our work in time. So time is essential, important for everyone. Okay, all the best. Be on at home and again see and read properly. And about this lesson, you will get the points later. Thank you.